Thursday, the 11th of December, 2025. I'm not sure what Georgia road it is. This will be a Scenic Georgia BackRoad drive to Toccoa from Lake Hartwell using the S22. Please like, share, and subscribe. It is almost 12 o'clock. We're up here to finish up a mobile home renovation on the lake. Checking on contractors. They haven't shown up today yet. Yeah, follow along with that. We'll be doing updates on that. We put one on last night, just sort of like a little preview. But, and this may not apply to every contractor, but my experience has been, and I used to be one of these, but I didn't try to do everything. When you're needing a renovation done, and you run across a contractor that tells you, my crew can do it all. We can do the electrical, we can do the plumbing, we can do the framing, we can do the painting. That tells you right off the bat immediately that they can't do anything good enough to make a living at it. And you know, I specialized. I did a couple of things extra on the side, but not much. If you've got to try to have enough tools to do 3 or 4 different jobs and enough people to do 3 or 4 different things, or the right people, their skill set is not going to be professional for at least more than one job. And so, you know, I didn't try to do all that kind of stuff. Unless I was doing my own stuff. They can't finish in time. They try to get ahead of you on money. And then you can't get them to finish up. And that's what we're running across here. So I'm not sure how this is going to turn out. It'll turn out fine eventually, but when you're having to come in and take over from somebody else's mess up, like I say, you've got the homeowner that really didn't know what was going on, trying to do it and save money. So there you have it. We will probably be staying up here after tomorrow night. We'll be getting driving videos all around northeast Georgia, part of South Carolina, maybe North Carolina. We're waiting on things to get done, different contractors. His people are supposed to show up today and finish up, and I don't think they'll even finish a painting. They're supposed to connect, test the water, clean up, get the trash out, and they've got 2 ceilings they've got to sand drywall mud on before they can paint. Then they're going to have to get the dust, vacuum all that stuff up, and then paint. And then they got to clean up. They're supposed to check water, get it on. It's just not going to happen. So there you have it. Enjoy the ride. Headed to the Ingalls in Toccoa, Georgia. Try to find us some lunch. got one video we just posted from yesterday. We posted one last night of the sort of what we're going to be doing up here. We got one today, or did we get two? I'm not sure what we got. We got two, but they're in the Osmo, so they'll have to be downloaded, edited, uploaded from the computer. And now I'm getting this one with the S22 Ultra, which I will upload from the Ingles parking lot more than likely. I need to learn how to connect the Osmo to the phone and upload directly through the phone's hotspot or the phone's connection. I don't know. There's a lot of stuff I need to learn, and I don't like learning this stuff. I like getting the video. I need a female partner to ride around with me and help me plan, get video, narrate, edit, upload, help me do all this stuff. It's a lot of work for one person to do all this. We may not be going right anymore. It's disappeared. Directions to Ingles. It says 7 minutes. This way we came this morning, so we're on track. We haven't gotten off base. Ingles said they had breakfast in the mornings too. They quit serving about 9, but if we're up here for a couple of weeks, we may be coming over here for breakfast. Yeah, I don't know if we'll have something at the Ingles for lunch or whether we will just buy something, make a sandwich. But we won't have any trouble figuring it out. We may go somewhere else. I don't know. Then I think we will go into Hartwell. Not Hartwell. Go into Toccoa. Or, we'll be at the outskirts of Toccoa. But go in and get a Toccoa video. I do have one. But get one for today. We don't have one on December the 11th, 2025. Okay, coming up on historic Georgia 17 North. South will take you through Livonia, I'm pretty sure. And then on down across East Georgia. We'll be on the lookout for Jeeps, vans, parts vehicles, deals while we're up here doing our thing. Lake Hartwell is a very nice lake. It is highly sought after, real pretty. Toccoa and Savannah River. Toccoa coming out of Tallulah Falls, I'm pretty sure. I wonder where the headwaters for the Savannah River are. Bell's Hamburgers. We may have to try that out. Looks like it's pretty busy. It is busy. The place is packed. Coming up here to the Ingles, gas is $2.79. Okay, let's turn this off. This will be a wrap.